my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I hope all is well. Welcome to yet another episode. A lot of you slid into my DMs and said, Fumi, are you going to do the BET Hip Hop Awards Fashion Police? And I said, if you want me to. So here we are. Are we living? Are we loving, my darlings? It's just a simple beat. We got a very crimson red. I just threw gloss all over it. This is just lashes. We don't have any shadow. No. You don't have to have shadow all the time. Just lashes, a lip. You guys loved the black that I wore the other day, so here I am with black. This is Zara Deep V. I have an episode on that too. It's still in the stores. If you want it, go get it. It's a pinafore. Do we live, do we love? And it's not that short. It's kind of sexy. It's nice, it's simple, it works. So here we are with the BET Hip Hop Awards. Without a beat, I'm going to start with whom? Little Kim. Little Kimmy wore Syndical Chamber. I think it was a bodysuit, or perhaps it was just leggings and a top. She had that on. She had green hair. I lived and loved the sunglasses. Yeah, Yeezy sunglasses. And she had Versace heels on. The Versace heels on too were quite fabulous. And then she had a green Birkenstock bag. I'm a little older, so I knew Kim when Kim really was pretty, really was gorgeous. I am not against plastic surgery. As a matter of fact, I'm all for it. I love and live for plastic surgery. There are a couple of things that I could say, you know what, let me get a lift here, let me get one or two things. I am full support of plastic surgery. I just am not for extreme. And Kim and some others out there, it's extreme. It's become extreme. And she has, in the process of being so extreme, has lost her entire essence. And that is unfortunate because she's so beautiful. She really was. Kim, absolutely gorgeous girl. I loved the leggings. Perhaps I even loved the top. I just didn't like it together. It's too much. It's too much. The green cork Birkin bag didn't work with it, or the green hair. I'm now realizing that the Yeezy shades look red. You know how much I love red sunglasses. But they weren't red. They were silver. It was just bouncing back off of the red carpet. That's why it looked so gorgeous. Because if these were red with the green, it could have pulled the look together. Because red and brown goes together. The entire look was a hot mess. A hot, smoking mess. No way could I have seen this and assumed that this was fabulous. The gorgeous Birkin bag would have been fabulous with a simple white dress. The green hair, all black outfit, and then green hair. That would have been gorgeous. It was just all of it together was giving me caricature. And I love her. I sincerely love her. I love her music. You know, I've been riding with Kim 20 plus years. Yeah. And so it's sad when it doesn't kick off the way it's supposed to kick off. You know, but that's fashion. You know, hits and misses. Nobody's judging here. It's fine. Alrighty. So we go on to, I have them all on my phone here. Yup. Remy Ma and Papoose. Papoose looked okay. Remy Ma just looked like a caricature from Batman. She looked like she was out of the scene of Batman. Yes, she looked like Poison Ivy out of Batman, the Batman movie where Uma Thurman played the character. I didn't understand it per se. I think it was the fru. It was a bit too much. I love the body Adi she's giving me right there. But it was too much. Plus the gloves and then the watch on top of it. Plus the diamonds were gorgeous. The diamonds were gorgeous. The hair was kind of sort of okay. It wasn't giving me fabulosity. But I will say this. This shade of green is gorgeous. Fabulous. It just didn't work for me. Don't know what to tell you guys. I just have to call it like it is. It just was not fabulous. Kodak black in also green. Neon lime green. The fabric looks like that of a carpet. Not feeling it. I don't know what to tell you. I love the ice. The ice is okay. You know, it can be over the top. But I didn't care for the outfit. And he has a little tummy, which is adorable. It was just the neon, no. And then he looks hot. Wasn't this in California? Yeah, they wrote it there. Abundance of lime green, y'all. No, that was not fabulous at all. We have Fat Joe, and he was hosting the awards, and he was there with his wife, matching purple, and this was slightly better. I loved her bag. I love the trousers, pants that she's wearing. I love the top. She looks very pulled together, not extreme, looking attractive. I live for it. And Fat Joe looked good. Yeah. Yesterday's rate is not what? It's not today's rate. He's right. And he was wearing leather shorts and a leather t-shirt, ice t-shirt, purple shades and purple sneakers. It's Fat Joe. What can I tell you? You know, it looks okay. Okay. We also had Tami Ramon, and she was wearing like a pink pajama-esque ensemble. She looked good to me. I loved the makeup, nice. The hair was looking a little too wiggish in the front, but aside from that, she was A-okay. Lala Milan. No. Didn't care for it. Bobby Lights was looking nice. Lived for it. And then we had Amina Butterfly. She looked nice. I love the heel, the leg, the dress. Velvet is hot right now because it's fall. She looked good over there. Then we had Dream Doll. Dream Doll was wearing pink. Very Barbie doll. I liked the hair. I liked the dress. I liked the heels. I even liked her throw, or was it part of the dress? The only thing that I would say was that the slit was way too high. It didn't have to be that high. Because you see, there comes a stage where you can have elegance, you can have glamour, you can even have sexy, you can have racy, and then it goes into vulgar. And this was giving me vulgar. She missed it, and she was so there. She was so there. Makeup, beautiful girl, but it was a bit too much. My beautiful girl, Spice, gorgeous in yellow. She got it right. The breast cup was too small for her bust, and the yellow hair was a no. It was giving me Rapunzel. It was the wrong shade of yellow. You can do highlights. This was neon. It looked like a mistake. It looked like she didn't have time to change. She didn't have another wig. She just went onto the red carpet. I can actually forgive the hair to an extent, but the bust was all wrong. You could see that it wasn't a good fit. French Montana was looking lovely. I love the coat. Is that Daffy Duck on it? I don't know, but I liked the coat. King Combs. I think that he's so wonderful. I saw him perform with his dad. Amazing. The outfit right here is a no. I like the shoes. I didn't like the pants. I didn't like the top. Lovely boy, handsome boy, talented. And unfortunately, nah. We have Ice Spice. And I don't know what she thought this was. Loved the hair, but I didn't love the outfit. And then we have Camilon. Also a no. Also a no. Nah, wasn't working for me. The best dressed for me was Gotti, looking very crisp, very fresh, very sharp. I lived for it. I don't know whether it's a gray, I don't know whether it's a blue, maybe it's an in-between, it's a teal with his eyes. He just looked crisp, he looked fresh, he looks like somebody he's sleeping well, bills are paid, prospects in the future. He looked fabulous and he was best dressed. And that is a lot to say, considering that I did not have a best dress for the ladies. For the BET Hip Hop Awards, it wasn't working for me, my darlings, but there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and let me know who was your best dressed at the BET Hip Hop Awards. Peace.